Alex Jones has been ordered to pay nearly $1 billion to the families of the victims of Sandy Hook. Will he actually have to pay that much, and what if he can't?
A lot of misunderstanding here, which is fair because it's complicated. Many people think that Jones can avoid paying anything by filing bankruptcy. His company has already filed for bankruptcy, and bankruptcy does discharge or remove most debts you owe from lawsuit.
But there's an exception. If you lose a lawsuit for conduct that was willful and malicious, then your debts will not be discharged.
Most people would say that what Jones did was unquestionably willful and malicious, but those terms have very specific legal meanings, and sometimes a whole new court proceeding is needed to make this determination.
Assuming Jones's actions were legally shitty enough and bankruptcy doesn't discharge his debts, what then? Well, a court could garnish his wages and put liens on all of his property to sell and put towards the debt.
Even so, it's unlikely that Jones will ever make enough money to satisfy this debt, which brings us to the concept of being judgment-proof. In the civil system, the reward for winning the lawsuit is typically cash, and if the defendant doesn't have cash, most lawyers won't bother.
As for the families here, it's likely this wasn't even about the money, but rather about getting justice and having this verdict follow Jones for the rest of his life.